So you're not going to believe what's going on here in Mont Belvieu in their newest community, Riceland, here in the area. I'm super excited to be here and show you this brand new community featuring the top most incredible builders here in our Houston area. We have featured here in this community builders like Harry Homes, Chesmar, David Weekley, and back behind me there is Highland Homes, and they actually have the first completed model home in this community. And so we are going to be taking a look inside Highland's model home in this community. I can't wait to show you what Highland actually has going on here in the area, because they actually have a collection that they have not featured before in the $300 to $450 price point, featuring tall, high, vaulted ceilings, which is new for this price point. On top of that, you've got incredible amenities, resort style pools, over 30 miles of trails, a town center with coffee shops, restaurants, shopping, and all of the things that you would find useful here in a community to start it out. So with that being said, I'm ready to take you in to our first model home with Highland, and of course we'll be back to shoot the others when they're ready in a couple months. If you're ready, let's go take a look at it. All right, you're looking at the Monet plan. What an incredible collection to offer here in the Mont Belvieu area. Things that you would not get in this price point. So the high ceilings are coming in under $450,000. Before, you had to spend $500,000, $600,000 to get what you get here. It's really incredible, actually. 2183 square feet, 4 beds, 3 baths. There's a study and a mudroom in this floor plan with a 2-car garage. Highland continues to deliver quality and modern finishes, and you can just tell in the construction of their work here. It's really very lovely, and I think you're going to enjoy this plan. Let me know what you think, and if you have interest here in Mont Belvieu, enjoy.